EagleRidge, trusted kitchen remodeling experts in North Salt Lake. EagleRidge is the trusted choice for kitchen remodeling in North Salt Lake, Utah. With a reputation for exceptional craftsmanship and customer satisfaction, their experienced team works closely with homeowners to create customized kitchen designs that match individual styles, from traditional to contemporary and rustic. Their services cover all aspects of kitchen remodeling, including new construction, renovations, and upgrades. Whether you need a complete kitchen makeover, custom cabinetry, or modern countertops, EagleRidge delivers expert solutions tailored to your needs. They specialize in kitchen expansions, layout designs, and smart space planning, ensuring a seamless transformation. Cabinetry and storage solutions include custom-built cabinets, refacing, refinishing, and pantry installations designed to maximize functionality. High-quality countertop installations, including granite, quartz, marble, and butcher block, elevate kitchen aesthetics. Flooring options such as tile, hardwood, and vinyl provide durability and style, while custom backsplash designs add a unique touch. Lighting installations range from recessed and under-cabinet lighting to energy-efficient LED solutions. Plumbing and fixture services include sink and faucet installations, garbage disposals, and pot fillers, ensuring a fully functional kitchen. Appliance installation covers built-in stoves, ovens, refrigerators, and dishwashers, integrating seamlessly with your design. EagleRidge also provides electrical services such as smart home integration, outlet installations, and lighting control systems. Ventilation solutions include hood and exhaust fan installations to maintain air quality. Structural modifications like wall removal, door and window installations, and open concept transformations enhance the kitchen's functionality. From eco-friendly remodeling and energy-efficient appliances to aging-in-place modifications and luxury upgrades, EagleRidge brings innovation to every project. Their expert demolition, site cleanup, and project management services ensure a smooth renovation process from start to finish. Choosing EagleRidge means benefiting from their attention to detail, competitive pricing, and commitment to timely project completion. Clients consistently praise their professionalism and the seamless communication they maintain throughout the remodeling process. For expert kitchen remodeling in North Salt Lake, call us today at 801-784-1157 or visit our website at eagleridgepros.com to schedule your free estimate.